objective of this webinar is to continue engagement with NCC cadets or students during the lockdown period. The topic for this webinar is campus to what next. We have selected this topic because of the it should be benefited to the final year students also. The aim of this webinar is to help the cadets to figure out different types aspects of employability. For example, what are the options after college besides the obvious choices? In this regard, we plan to organize this seminar. Hence, it is my prime duty to invite our principal, Dr. T. Chidambaram, to officially inaugurate this webinar. Before that, I have to thank my colleagues, Secretary HRP R. Mohan Pillai, for giving permission to conduct this type of webinars during this lockdown period itself. As far as concerned, our people has completed nearly 30 years during this a great achievement. I GC Tanu the backbone of this webinar.
1 second, I will mute the participants and continue. 1 second. You unmute yourself and then talk because participants are creating a disturbance. Yes, sir. You can continue. You unmute yourself and speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
In our college, actually, till now, 30 plus webinars have already organized by him. So, on behalf of all of you, I congratulate our principal and invite him to inaugurate this seminar, Campus to What Next. Sir, you please. Principal sir, please.
Ask him to, Principal sir, please unmute yourself and you can proceed.
Yes, Principal sir.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
My voice is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very clear. Very clear.
Good evening, participants. Let me at the outset, I thank Dr. Ajeendranath for arranging the webinar. This is the first one in our college in the evening session. And we have conducted at the 31st, this is the 31st webinar of this during the lockdown period. I must congratulate and plus all the NCC cadets. Those who took part for this COVID-19 more than a month for patrolling along with our police officials, district police officials. And many cadets, I have also visited many places to encourage them. Just I go around and encourage them, and really they rendered a wonderful service during this period. And I thank Dr. Karthikeya Banu, the business head, Inspire Software Solution Chennai, for coming here to address our people what next immediately after the campus. Friends, NCC is one of the greatest organization as far as the students' point of view is concerned. A strict, disciplined, and as well as they are the forerunner while they are doing their education in our institution. And really, I'm fortunate to participate. I thank Dr. Ajeendranath, the organizing secretary, who has arranged this in a very systematic manner. I think this is the first time this platform I am using also. And thank you, madam, for your nice way of coming over here.
Thank you, sir.
And I wish this program every success. Thank you, all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Before we start the session, I have to introduce the resource person first for our participants. Dr. Karthikeya Banu, MCA, MPhil, PhD, Business Head, Communication, soft skill technical trainer, mentor, motivational speaker, content developer, all rolled into one. More than 17 years of teaching experience in this field, in the field of computer science, along with 12 years experience in the field of communication, soft skills and technical training, currently heading the training and development team and founder of Inspire Soft Tech Institutes. Thank you, madam. Thank you. And the platform is ready for you to continue.
Thank you.
And the participant students, you are all, please mute your video as well as audio when the presenter is presenting the webinar. After that, if you have any questions or something, any doubts, you can, you will be given time for that. Okay, and it should be an interactive mode of webinar. So cadets must actively participate in this webinar. The medium of discussion both in English as well as in Tamil is permitted, so you need not hesitate to clear your doubts. Okay. Anyway, the platform is, I'm sharing this platform to the resource person.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Go on.
I'll mute all now and I'm going to start the session. Yes. Happy evening, all gathered here. Thank you, Principal Sir. Thank you, Dr. Ajendra, for inviting me for this great occasion. And up to the beautiful Sunday evening, you're all gathered here for the knowledge sharing. Okay, so happy to meet you all. Normally, any session, I used to start with a positive affirmation prayer because we want to keep our mind calm and cool. Then only our mind will be more received. Okay, so you can recite after me in silence. Okay, right? Let me say the prayer. You recite after me in silence. So keep your eyes closed and you listen to this prayer. Dear God, I place my humble needs before you. My need to meet my responsibilities in the world. My need to use my God-given talents and abilities. My need to fulfill my place here on earth. I pray for your guidance now to show me the way to the perfect opportunity to do what I love, to do what I can do well, and what will fulfill my needs mentally, spiritually, and financially. Help me to walk in faith as you show me the way. I'm praying for everyone in the universe. Let them be safe, happy, peaceful, and healthy. Thank you, God, for listening to us. And also bless all the participants. This knowledge sharing session to be wonderful and more successful. Thank you. Yes. And already Ajendra sir introduced me well. So whom you are listening to, you know me well. So only one thing I would like to say about me, I love to be myself. I never pretend what I am not. That is a good quality in me that I would like to share with you. Okay, welcome to this session. Basically, what is your role in this program? First of all, understand the meeting etiquette. You know what is etiquette? Etiquette, the terminology means manners. Nama behaviors okay. So the manners that matters a lot. Keep your audio muted. Keep your video also not visible. So then only you will have a full essence of this learning. Okay. So first understand this is a learning journey. Realize this program is meant for you. Ajit sir had taken much pain to arrange this program. Okay. So try to understand that everybody, all driving forces behind this program. So therefore, the greatest respect you are giving to this, the program is for you. Okay. And the point of realization is very important. Okay. So this is given for me like that. You should have a thought and sharpen your knowledge and skills. Okay. So this, I'm not here to say that you don't know anything. I'm here to say that you know many things. At the same time, you want to develop and you have to sharpen your knowledge and skills. Okay, right. Then and there, it's going to be an interactive only. That means in the chat box only you are going to use. Okay, last only we are going to unmute and talk. So in between, if there is a conversation, that means big chaos will happen because more people are there. I'll talk in between Tamil if you need any, can be anything you couldn't understand. And I plan to such a way that first of all, it is going to be a motivational as well as what next after your campus life, after your graduation. That is the main theme of this program. Okay. So goal and career line planning, how you can build up your confidence, what are all the competitive exam available, and what next after graduation is going to be the theme. Let us start quickly with the icebreaker. Okay, what is the icebreaker is normally ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது we'll get to know each other. Okay, so நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா உங்க chat boxல what is your name, something interesting about you. See, I have written, please introduce yourself. Now, I'm Jack. I put my shoes on while sleeping. This is a funny example. Like that, you can write anything. I'll give you 3 minutes time. You can write your name and something interesting about you. For example, something interesting about this is James. Like that, you can write. Or this is Ajit. You can write. Okay. I'm always, I have a smiling face. Anything you can write. Okay. Your time starts now. 3 minutes only time. I'm going to off my video mode. I'll come to the chat box to see your answers. Your name and something interesting about it. Just one liner you can write. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay. Start. I love to see your chat. Guys, start writing. Chat is coming. Yeah, I'm saying. My name is Sharana Kumar. I am curious in this seminar. Wow, great. Shanmuga Priya. Okay, I'm Shiva Ranjit. I'm always happy. Nice. Nice to see this. I'm expecting from more participants. 3 minutes time. Nandagopalan. I done my tech work for this webinar. Wow. Thank you, Nandu. Jyotika, hi ma'am, only written. Jyotika, something interesting about you, you write. Murthy, I'm always happy. Okay, nice. I'm Gokul. I have the habit of making others happy without hurting anyone. That is really nice, Gokul. Matesh, it's more people are keep on writing. I'm always positive. Nageshwar. Inia. Lucia, Queen. I'm proud to be NCC cadet. Superb. Anthony Roshan, relationship advisor. Good. Sarana Kumar, I'm happy. Okay. Shanmuga Priya. Ashwin, love to introduce positivity in others. Wow. Ashwin, superb. Ashwin Kripai, and I love to introduce positivity. Okay. Ninto Kumar, Charanya, I done all my works very well. It is not my proud. It's a habit. Really cool, ma. It's really nice. I'm Raj Prabhu. I'm enjoy. Okay, enjoy. Okay. Congrats to Captain Sir conducting useful session. Okay. Good evening, ma'am. Nice to meet you. I'm Amal. Amal, what is interesting about you? You tell. Okay. If you I have missed it, I'm reading it now. Okay. Google I have written. Okay. Murthy always happy. Still others are writing. Pavitra, I love NCC and very proud. Ajita, always happy and interesting. Nice. You have 1 more minute more to complete the activity. Since we have many things to discuss, I have many activities also for you today. Gokul, proud to be an Indian. Wow, great. What a patriotism. Anupriya, I love NCC. Rider boy. Okay. Good. I am proud to be myself, Makesh. Okay. I'm Karpaga Raja. It's the first webinar class. I'm really happy to meet all person confident. Okay. Confident is public. Oh my God. Wait. People immediately started. Isaki Raja, I'm always smiling and happy. I love NCC and Indian Army. Wow, great with the smileys. Nice. I'm Aishwarya, always happy. Good evening. Okay. Shanmuga, again, I love NCC, she has written. Okay. So twice you are loving NCC. Cool, buddy. Nalanda, happy to be in the webinar, spread positivity. Wow. Sagaya Bright, good evening all, okay. Ram Kumar, I love NCC. Happy this seminar. I love Indian Army. Nice, nice, nice. I guess it's time. I'm going to start the session. I'm always happy. Who is that? Vinita. Okay. I love India. Shanmugam has written. Ma'am, you are talking very super, pa. Thank you. One fan for me. I love NCC and Indian Army. Okay. Okay, guys. So it's time to listen. Even you type it later only, I'm going to see your chat box. I'm going to start the session. It's a time to start the session. Later, we'll have many activities. Okay. Right. So make it more interesting. First of all, it's a time to upgrade yourself, because what next itself? You might have seen the Samsung advertisement, no? And normally in Samsung mobile, they put what next like that. But latest, they started advertising next is now. Have you ever seen? Okay. So it is a time for upgrade yourself. First of all, you have to challenge yourself for upgradation, and you have to sharpen yourself. The size, let me switch on my video mode. Then only you can see my action also, what I'm doing, okay? So first of all, you have to upgrade yourself. So you have to prepare to challenge yourself, okay? And also sharpen. How you can sharpen your knowledge and skill? Basically, Sa, Rambam Terima. I'm not saying that I'm Sa, okay? If you are using, 1 second, some participant is disturbing me. Let me mute. Okay, yeah. Actually, that's a cutting tool. Okay, if you use it continuously without sharpening it, what will happen? It is totally, loses its, action. So once you started sharpening, it will use it fully. Okay. Therefore, even though we have much knowledge, we want to sharpen ourselves then and there. We have to upgrade ourselves. Okay. And also, you are going to ready to manage yourself. That is my question. So we'll pass on to the next one. So then and there, if you're not able to follow anything, you can pop me with a message. I'll help you out. Okay, right. Ajit sir, you can unmute yourself once again. Sir, if anybody is chatting, suppose audio or something is not, somebody shoot a question, please pop up immediately and tell me, because I'm not viewing the chat box. I'm concentrating on the presentation. Okay.
Okay. I am on the chat box. Okay.
Please explain in Tamil or something if they have written. Please ping me immediately.
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Okay. Do you wait for others' instruction to study? மத்தவங்க சொன்னாதான் நீங்க படிப்பீங்களா? First, do you wake up on your own every morning? Okay, or you keep alarm, or somebody wake you up? Some people have a habit of keeping alarm, but once the alarm is on and it produces a sound, your mom or dad will get up, you never get up. That is a habit some people have. And do you tie your shoelace on your own? If yes means school, if no means you're to upgrade yourself. Because being an NCC cadre, I know very well, you people are well disciplined. But anyways, there is a few points it's my duty to convey. Okay. Always you hear from the people say that, hey, you have to do your best, you have to prove yourself, you will, I can, I will, like that, people will teach you always. It's possible for you. உன்னால முடியும், நீ பண்ணு. எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவாங்க. என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Yes, okay, சரி, we will tell. ஆனா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? நம்ம என்ன வேலை பண்றோமோ அதையே பண்ணுவோம். We will continue what we are doing the same way we will do. Then what is the ways and means we can change ourselves and move to the next level? For that only, we are going to be, we are here. Okay, right. I am going to start with one beautiful story to you guys. Okay. Because I value things like more than a money. Okay, the love, respect, kindness, integrity, trust, and self-esteem. That is more. I'll tell you one beautiful story which I read in WhatsApp only. Maybe if you know the story, na solumbodhu kekkumbodhu ungalku konjam vidyasama irukum. Okay, right. See, there was one camel merchant. Okay, camel merchant, and this guy want to get new camel. Oru pudu camel vaangradhukku plan pandrar. Okay, he was seeking from many places. Or camel, camel merchant பார்த்துட்டு, okay, let him, எனக்கு இந்த camel பிடிச்சிருக்கு சொல்லிட்டு, he was negotiating with a person. எனக்கு இது கொடுக்குறீங்களா அப்படின்னா, this guy gave that camel with a better price. அவர் எதிர்பார்த்த price-கே அந்த camel கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Okay, he's getting the camel and he's very happy that with the cheap price he got it. Okay, right. And no, that merchant who sold that, and the camel வித்தவர் போயிட்டார். Now he is taking the camel to his house. Okay, he is trying to lift the camel, but he couldn't lift the camel. அது நகரவே மாட்டேங்கிறது. He is trying, he couldn't make it. Then no, he was calling his servant. Hey, can you help me out to lift the camel? Then the servant is coming and he is also trying. ரொம்ப hard process அப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து எடுத்துறாங்க. எடுத்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது ஏன் லிஃப்ட் பண்ண முடியலன்னா that settles அந்த கால் இருக்கு இல்லையா, some pouch was tied in the saddle of the camel. Okay, so they are just to untie that and remove and open and see that was all gems. எல்லா நவரத்னமும் இருக்குதுல. My God, all are now sparkling. It's very nice to see. Now what happened? The servant is telling, sir, you're so lucky. You got this. You've got a lucky prize today. Okay. Then this guy said, no, who purchased? He was telling that, no, this is not mine. Okay, this is not mine. This I have to give it to the owner who sold this camel to me. Then the servant is asking, are you a fool or what? What is this? Are you mad? No, it's not mine. Then he took that pouch and went to the person who he sold the camel. அவர்கிட்ட போயிட்டு, sir, is this yours? உங்களுடையதா அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாரு. அவர் ஆச்சரியப்படுறார். Yes, it's mine. I forgot. I have put it in this. I have tied it in the saddles. I forgot to remove it while I was selling that camel to you. Okay, but really, I like your honesty. You have returned my things to me back. என்கிட்ட கொடுத்துட்டீங்க, எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு. நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு இதுல இருந்து ஒரு ஜெம் கொடுக்குறேன், நீங்க எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Because for your honesty, I would like to gift you this. Like that, this guy was telling. No. This guy said, no, I don't want this. Because it's my duty, I want to give it to you back. That is yours. So why should I need something? I don't want anything like that. He was telling. The other man, no, he was keep on forcing him, vangikonga. But this guy said, already I have 2 gems with me. He said, oh, then like that he had a thought and counted all the gems. Count panina ellam correct. Everything was perfect. Then how come you are saying every gem is here and you are saying that you have already 2? I said the gems already, what I have is self-respect and integrity. That means உங்களோட self-respect, உங்க சுயமரியாதை. Integrity is that, the நம்பிக்கைக்குரிய person. Okay, that both the things I carry. That is, honesty is a integrity. Okay, so I carry this 2 gems I have. Okay, so therefore I don't want something else. Something is material. So my dear children, keep in your mind that there are more things more than have a value than a money. That is the thing. You should have a honesty, love, respect, kindness, integrity, trust, and all. Why I'm saying this now? You're getting graduated very soon, and you're going to either you go for a job or you're going to do for a higher studies, whatever it may be. First of all, we want to be a best version of ourselves. First of all, we should understand what is our capability. For that only we are attending this session. I'm not going to bore you with the lecture. We are going to make it more interactive, and also I'll give you tips and tricks how to develop yourself and how you can fit into a particular career. Okay, right. So first of all, love yourself as you are. That is the first key to success. So don't compare yourself with anybody. Since you may because I respect all NCC people and who loves an Indian Army and all. Already your teachers have taught many good things, but still, again, it's my responsibility to say that normally people used to compare you are like him, like that, and all. Okay, but you should be a role model for someone. Okay, love to be yourself, right? Okay, I'll tell you some ways to improve yourself and love yourself as you are. Okay, right. So career line. So first of all, where you are and decide what you want. You want a perfect life. Okay, so where you want to go. So that first you have to decide. I'll tell you the options. First of all, you should get ready with the decisions. Okay, right. So why it is important? So you need to choose a career. This is for me. So what I love. Okay, let me tell you. So that is step by step. So what is supposed to be a career? Career is a job or a profession, you can say. A job or a profession which is going to play a role in a larger period of your life. Okay, it is basically, it's a part of your life and you are going to spend work or no, you are going to like study or whatever, maybe what you are choosing. Okay. My questions is, where I am now, where do I reach in future? How I'm going to achieve that? Before that, I would like to say one thing, guys. Keep a notebook and pen with you. Then and there, what I'm saying, try to note it down. Even though I'm going to share this via like a video or the material, but you have a good habit of noting it down. Then only you can ask doubts at the end, or you can quickly recall what I'm talking now. Okay. So first of all, where you are, where you want to reach in future, and how you are going to achieve it. Okay. So what is, suppose you know everything because you are going to get graduated, but still, why I'm talking about goals now is it is related to your higher studies as well as related to your job. Okay, right. First of all, what is the purpose of your life? Okay, you are getting aligned with the purpose of your life. Okay, very simple. One guy was asking, like, where should the road take me? Okay, the passerby is asking, where you want to go? I don't know. Anyway, that means you can take any road. It makes no difference. அவன் கேக்குறான், இந்த ரோடு எங்க போறது? நீங்க எங்க போகணும்? எனக்கு தெரியாது. அப்ப எந்த ரோடுக்கு வேணாலும் போ. It doesn't create any difference. Okay, right. So, where and all the goal setting plays a role. Your mental development, your studies, your family, your health, your money, everything, the goal requires playing a role. Okay, so I'll tell you how to set this process. What you're going to decide. Before that, what decision you want to make, only I'm going to help you out. Okay, first of all, you have to have a commitment. Okay, commit yourself to the constant self-improvement. If you plan for a higher study or if you're planning for a job, okay, first of all, have a 100% commitment on what you want to do mentally. Okay, so ask yourself, okay, alignment with the goal, what you are fixing it up. And second thing, you have to like check the progress, the plan. Okay, you have to, what is the progress I'm see compared to yesterday, how I'm growing. Okay, and then first of all, to achieve anything, you need a burning desire in you. That is very important. Okay, so it is basically, it should come from your heart. Whatever be the things, I want to achieve a success, I should have a desire to achieve it. And then, okay, never doubt or give up attitude. Okay, see, 100% you should be comfortable with whatever you have and should have a confidence. உங்களுக்கு அந்த நம்பிக்கை இருக்கணும், நம்ம அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி. Okay, and also a dogged determination. You know what is dogged determination? It's a simple example. You take it as a dog. If something it want to go, it want to run, it want to catch something, it will go behind it and get it done. Okay, it is basically until it reach, it will do that work. That is called dogged determination. Okay, so to achieve your goal, regardless of whatever may be, whatever be the circumstances, you want to enter into it. Okay, so I have a question for you. Again, I've already asked you 4 questions. Now another set of questions I'm going to ask you. Okay, what do you aspire or what do you dream about? உங்க லைஃப்ல உங்களுக்கு என்னவாகணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு, என்ன அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு? Okay, so what do you want to achieve in your life? Okay, it is basically you have to dream big. So what is your goal? Keep in your mind, I may ask you later. So what do you aspire in your life? What do you want to become? Some people say, I want to be I want to be in Indian Army. Okay, some people aspire differently. Some people want to prove something. Okay, what do you? Let me mute people. Again, they are disturbing me.
Yeah, one girl.
Sir, tell me, sir. Yeah, tell me, sir. You can unmute yourself and say. Sir, Ajit, sir. You can unmute.
Yeah, add here.
Yeah.
Unmute and add here. Okay, okay.
Yeah, yes, miss. Yes, sir. You
Hello?
want to say something?
No, nothing. One new lady came, that's why that some disturbance is there.
Okay. That's cool. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, everything is goes perfect now? Voice and all audible, right?
Yes, everything is. Yeah. Audible.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, what do you really aspire? Okay, what do you aspire and what is your dream? It should be something great. It should be useful to you as well as to the society. Like that, you should have a dream. And the second thing is what you are able to do. Okay. See, you may have anything. Okay. But still, what is possible for you? And what are the goodies in the sense, maybe God given talents. Okay. And then what do you know to do about your dream? உங்களோட கனவு இருக்கு இல்லையா உங்க ட்ரீம் அதை பண்றதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? What do you know to do about your dream? First of all, you may aspire anything. Okay, that is different. And what is possible for you is different. What you know about your dream, that is very important. And then how long it will take to achieve your dream? Maybe a month or a year or a week or whatever maybe. Okay, so how long it will take to achieve your dream? And suppose you achieved your ambition, you achieved your dream, what will you do to keep what you have achieved? அது ரொம்ப important. நீங்க நிறைய பிளான் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, எல்லாம் ஓகே. ஆனா ஒரு சக்சஸ் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் how you retain your success is really matters a lot. Okay, so what will you do to keep to what you have achieved?
How?
Hello.
Sir, I'm muting it. I'm muting. Actually, we will have one session for meeting etiquette. Okay. Separately, how to attend a meeting like that, we can have one session. Okay. As in people used to say, I'm a smart person like that. Are your goals?
Yes.
Yeah. Are your goals are smart? People used to ask. That smart means what? I'll tell you. Yes, it is meant for specific. Something you want to be specific on what you are doing. Okay, for example, you are going to a hotel. They're asking, idli, dosa, puri, pongal. You are specific. Okay, so what do you want really, that you have to know. Next is measurable, which can be counted. Then only you can see the progress. And A is attainable. Attainable means mudiyakudiyadu. Okay, then R is realistic. For example, I want to reduce my weight 15 kg in a week. That is unrealistic. Okay, so realistic goal vechkonga. T is a time bound. Within a time period, what I'm going to achieve. So that's why your goal should be smart enough. Okay, so if you have a dreams and you want to be in a reality, okay, so you want to make it more real. So first of all, you should have a direction. You need a direction. Means somebody has to help you out, and you should dedicate yourself 100%, and you should have a determination to achieve it, and discipline yourself and have a deadlines also. The deadline is something. So when you want to achieve, see, you can have every day you are learning, that is different, but you should have some time bound to achieve certain things. Okay, right. So why I'm stressing more on goals is, you're going for higher studies or you're going to work for a company, you should have some goals. That's the reason I'm talking about. So I'm planning the session in a step-by-step way only. So be patient to hear that, because I'm not going to list out only the career and other things. First, I'm preparing yourself to meet the industry requirement. Okay. So short term is something within 1 year what I want to achieve. The mid-term is within 1 to 3 years what I want to achieve. And long term is within 5 to 10 years what I'm going to achieve. So you should have a plan for your life first. Okay. So remember your goal for the day, a week, year, next 5 years, or what is your life, what are all the requirements, what is the difficulty you anticipate, என்ன பிரச்சனை வரும் நீங்க நினைக்கிறீங்க, how to overcome the difficulty, இதெல்லாம் யோசிக்கணும் லைஃப்ல வந்து நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி. That is very important. Okay, so அதுக்கு நாம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, you have to build a confidence in you. First, believe yourself. That's why I said, don't compare yourself with anybody. Your confidence is something possible for me. I can do it. I'll tell you one simple mantra in your life. That is 5:1. Sorry, 1:5 or 5:1 principle. We'll take 5:1 principle. What is 5:1? Actually, something is positive happening in your life. You say it in 5 sentences. If something is negative happening, say it in 1 sentence. Simple example, I'll tell you. We are gathered here to attend this webinar, correct? See, I'm saying it's a positive in the sense, wow, here that students are so nice and their attitude, I feel so great. And also, they are all NCC, well-disciplined people. Okay, I'm so happy in this forum. I'm happy to teach. These are all the positive things I'm saying. Suppose something negative They want to express, no, the people are disturbing me a lot. They are not, don't know how to unmute them. They are mute, not at all muting, this, that. Keep on, no, finding fault or keep on scolding someone. So, negative. Negative it will lead to a negative, and ultimately the vibration will get into a negative. Instead, we can make this forum positive in the sense 5:1. 5 sentences சொல்லுங்க பாசிட்டிவா இருந்ததுன்னா நெகட்டிவா இருந்தது வேண்டாததுன்னா ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் இல்ல சொல்லவே சொல்லாதீங்க. That only I used to say. That's how you can create vibration around people. Okay, so that's how you can develop. First என்ன பண்ணனும்னா உங்க கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்கு prepare for your journey. See, it was already achieved in think your strength, okay, and where you want to go. Manage your mind, okay, commit yourself for success. So already have achieved this. It's the next level. It is very easy only. Like that, you should have a plan. Okay. And also set out. What do you want to do? Okay. Focus on the basics. Normally, people will think high, but they forget the basics. So basics is very important. Keep manage your mind. Plan well. And accelerate towards the success. Don't bother. Focus on your work and do it. Okay. So change your way of thinking. நிறைய பிரச்சனை என்னன்னா நெகட்டிவ் தாட்ஸ்லயே சிலர் உட்காந்துருப்பாங்க. They won't go to the positive. Some people will be there, no, இந்த வாட்டி எனக்கு I'm expecting 90% mark. அதெல்லாம் வராதுப்பா, அவர் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்டாம்பா. Like that people will say. See, don't listen to this all negative comments, okay? Listen to, and also it depends on the friendship also, your growth is there. How your friends are, whether they are always புலம்புற friends இருக்காங்களா, நல்லா இருக்கு, அதாவது நல்லா பாசிட்டிவா ஷேர் பண்ற ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, அது பொறுத்து தான் உங்களோட சக்சஸும் இருக்கும். ஓகே, one important thing is time management. That also plays a crucial role in your success. So time ke expansion இருக்குமா, taste the things to do list. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும் first list பண்ணிக்கோங்க. What do you want to do for a day? And identify the priority. எதை first பண்ணணும், எதை second பண்ணணும். Identify the priority. Then making it happen. Okay, that is very important. நிறைய பேர் list பண்ணுவோம், we are not doing it. So make it happen and evaluate the deviation. For example, 10 works I'm writing, I'm achieving 8. பரவாயில்ல, cool, we are on track. ரெண்டே விஷயம் தான் நான் பண்ணல, பரவாயில்ல. Suppose 10 எழுதிட்டு 9 பண்ணாம 1 தான் பண்ணீங்க அப்படின்னா, you need to work out a lot. Okay, and some more tips I'll give you. Okay, create a mental image on what you want to achieve. So brainstorm பண்ணிக்கோங்க, இத பண்றதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணணும். Okay, and be patient, have a patience and perseverance. விடாமுயற்சி இருக்கணும். Visualize the success. So என்னால imagine பண்ணி பாருங்க, next 5 yearsல I'm completing a PG or I'm going for a job, I'm getting some award, around 10,000 people in the auditorium, I'm getting a clap, just hear the sound, how you feel happy. Wow, that is just imagine. Okay, enjoy the process. Okay, and remember to take a break. Then and then you reward yourself. Wow, you did a great job. Like you reward yourself when the goal is reached. Okay, அதே மாதிரி create your own personality. உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டைல் கொண்டு வாங்க. If you see this photograph, so like Vivekananda, Hitler வந்து ஹிட்லர் கிட்ட ஒரு விஷயம் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். He has a conviction, negative or positive, whatever may, he has a conviction on himself, what he has done. Vivekananda, silence na, Hitler வந்து violence. Okay, then Mother Teresa, Gandhiji, Abdul Kalam, Jhansi Rani. Okay, that and all if you talk about, everybody have created their own style. So நம்ம style என்னன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கணும். Okay, I'm going to play one video to you. Just watch it. I'll ask you, like, no, I'll discuss it later about that. Just watch this video. Yeah. Ajit sir, you viewed the video. It's correct. Streaming was okay. Ajit sir, unmute and answer.
Yes, it is okay. Okay.
That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Participants, the thing is like why I have played that video is it is basically either you want to succeed or survive. First, you have to decide. I just want to survive means even the trees survive, animals survive, anybody can survive. But if you really want to succeed as a human being, you want to work a lot. I like one thing in that video is come out from the comfort zone. If you are in the comfort zone, you cannot achieve more. If you come out from the comfort zone only, you will achieve many things. Okay, right. Okay, I have a question here. See, it may be either after your graduation, you may go to a, we used to say C2C only, campus to corporate or campus to somewhere, anywhere you work, or you want to do a higher study. First, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, what are the opportunities only we are going to deal with it now. Okay, so I'm going to make you an industry ready person. Okay, or otherwise you want to do a higher study, you have to decide on that part. Right? So one way we'll see what really, suppose you are choosing a job, right? So what really the company or corporate, anywhere, what they really expect. First of all, they expect a right attitude. Ask model, they used to say attitude. Attitude is very simple. How you look at others, how you look at உங்க கண்ணோட்டம் எப்படி இருக்கு இந்த உலகத்தை நீங்க எப்படி பாக்குறீங்க. Okay, so if you have எல்லாரையும் குத்தம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க ஆளா இருந்ததுன்னா if you have a bad attitude you never get a friends. Okay, what attitude you carry, working attitude, winning attitude you should carry, and your skills. The skills la variety irukku, hard skills, soft skills are there. Hard skill is something maybe you are getting a degree from the college. Okay, right? You know the driving, trekking, that and all hard skill visible are உங்களுக்கு measure பண்ணலாம் அதோட success. But soft skill is something which is not visible but it can be felt. That means your problem solving skills, your decision making skills, and communication skills, presentation skills, இந்த skill எல்லாமே வந்து soft skill. Okay, and your knowledge, ஒரு விஷயத்துல உங்களுக்கு knowledge எவ்வளவு இருக்கு. And accountability னா நீங்க higher study பண்ணினாலும் சரி, நீங்க work பண்ணாலும் சரி, if you become an entrepreneur, நீங்களே ஒரு தொழில் வந்து செய்ய ஆரம்பிக்கிறீங்க, தொழிலதிபர் ஆறீங்கனாலும் நீங்க என்ன வேலை பண்றீங்க, you are accountable, நீங்க தான் அதுக்கு பொறுப்பு. Accountability. Then communication இங்கிலீஷ் மாத்திரம் இல்ல. The people will confuse communication with English. I'll tell you. Communication skill means English is just a language, that is different. நீங்க எந்த லாங்குவேஜ்ல பேசுறீங்கன்றது முக்கியம் இல்லை, ஆனா எப்படி பேசுறீங்கன்றது முக்கியம். அது என்னன்னா communication is a right word to the right person in a right place at a right time. சரியான வார்த்தையை சரியான ஆள்கிட்ட சரியான நேரத்துல பேசணும். Okay, that is a communication. So அது கரெக்டா நம்ம பண்றோம். Then interpersonal skill, how you connect with people. ஒருத்தர் கிட்ட பேசும்போது நம்ம வந்து என்ன மாதிரி நம்ம ஆட்டிடியூட்ல பேசுறோம், ஒரு ஸ்மைலிங் நோட்ல பேசுறோமா இல்ல உருன்னு பேசுறோமா, இது எல்லாமே கவுண்டட். தட்ஸ் இன்டர்பர்சனல். ஒரு ஆபீஸ்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணனா உங்களுக்கு டீம் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவீங்க. சோ டீமா ஒர்க் பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு தெரியும். தென் ஹவ் பெனிஃபிஷியல் யூ ஆர். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணினாலும் நீங்க எவ்வளவு பெனிஃபிஷியல் டு த கம்பெனி தான் எல்லாரும் பார்ப்பாங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் யுவர் பர்சனாலிட்டி இட் இஸ் நாட் ஒன்லி நம்ம ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறதோ எதுவோ கிடையாது. த பர்சனாலிட்டி இஸ் சம்திங், இட் இஸ் நாட் ஒன்லி அவுட்டர் அப்பியரன்ஸ். யூ ஆர் உங்களோட attitude இருக்கு இல்லையா, உங்க attitude and லைக் your knowledge, and also your physical also plays a little role, and how you groom yourself, உங்க appearance நீங்க எப்படி காட்டுறீங்க, okay, how you present yourself, that all comes into personality. Okay, right. இப்போ activity நாம பண்ண போறோம். Go to the chat box. I'll mute my, I'm going to mute my video. Describe yourself in 3 words. நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். I am an assertive, multi-skill, smart person கொடுத்திருக்கேன். மாதிரி 3 வார்த்தை உங்களை பத்தி. Describe yourself in 3 words quickly. I'll come to the chat box. 3 minutes we'll play this game. Describe yourself in 3 words. I'm just waiting in the chat box. Guys, please type in the chat box. Wow, I'm very positive, helpful, and supportive. Gokul, nice. Others are typing, I guess. I am what I am. Wow, Ashwin Kripai. Okay. I am what I am. 3 words. Wow. Guys, others are sleeping or what? I'm confident about me and always think positive. Karthik. I'm smart and hard worker guy. Ajit. Okay. I'm so happy and do not take unwanted anything in my mind. Uma Makeshwari. Okay. I won't let my inborn get vanished. Wow, wow, wow. Nandini. Arvind Kumar. I am supportive. Sorry, I am sportive. Personality and straightforward. Superb. My attitude is very smart, ma'am. Murthy. Anupriya. I am spread some positive video to other through my smiling. Wow. Good character, positive think, smartness. Raju. Makesh, I'm positive, confident, and helping. I'm always think positive and spread positive. I'm straightforward person. Lucy, Lincia. Shanmugam, I'm truthful. I'm positive thinker. Wow. Natraj Pillai. Jyotika, I'm smart and I'm enjoying in this world. I'm truthful. My attitude don't hurt anyone. Shanmugam, wow. Okay. Anything I have missed out? Always positive, helping, a mind and caring. Okay, Pavitra. Nandu, I'm multi-talented person. I'm positive speaker. I love myself like you. Okay. Positive vibes are spreading like anything. Supportive, helping to others, and chatterbox. Oh, Ruby. Okay. 1 more minute more to complete this activity. I am helpful and support and confident in mind. I love myself, Ajita. And I am so cool and do not hate others, Uma. Okay. Nalanda. I'm ambitious and driven and thrive on challenge and constantly and goals of myself. So I have something to strive towards. I asked for 3 words. You have written 4 sentences. I'm cool and cute person. Wow. Karpaga Raja. Because I am take only good and positive things only. Okay. Always happy. Loves traveling. Sindhu. Okay. People, I said 3 words only. That I was, I would like to see that, how your listening skill is. Okay. Okay. Focusing on public interest. Makesh. I take all the things and what happened in my life. Okay. Simeon. I'm smart, positive thinker, helpfulness. Okay. Ram Kumar. You have 30 seconds more to complete. Loving, caring, smiling guy. Wow, Gayatri. Very supportive, active, helping. Okay, Shanmukha Priya, I understand others' pain and try to help them. Wow, Anusha. Okay, it's time to go back to the session. I'm happy to see that no more positive people are here. Check. Okay, more positive people are here. So assertiveness. I didn't say what is assertive to you. I'll tell you. Assertive means something. I can understand you to have the same rights as I have. Ajit sir, is my video is visible to you?
Yes, visible.
Okay.
Visible, ma'am.
I would like to know that.
Okay.
I now only switched on the video. That's why. Okay. Guys, actually, you
Okay, visible.
know the terminology assertive. Okay. Assertive means something which is very positive attitude. Okay. There are three styles in communication. Let me tell you. One is aggressive, passive, assertive. Three things were there. Aggressive means I want to have my word is a last word. நான் பேசுறத நீ கேளு, நீ சொல்றத கேட்கணும் எனக்கு அவசியம் கிடையாது. அந்த மாதிரி பீப்புள் இருப்பாங்க. அது அக்ரெசிவ் கேரக்டர். ஓகே, அக்ரெசிவ். அந்த ஸ்டைல் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இருக்கும். Passive means whatever you say, guys, please mute yourself. Okay, passive is something. Let me mute. Right. Passive is something like, you know, see, whatever you say, I'm ready to accept. நீங்க என்ன சொன்னாலும் நான் கேட்கிறேன். இதுனாலும் ஓகே. நான் பிறந்ததே உங்களுக்கு அடிமையா இருக்கிறது தான். That kind of attitude people இருப்பாங்க. மத்தவங்க என்ன சொன்னாலும் வாங்கிப்பாங்க. பாவம் கேரக்டர். ஓகே, that is like a doormat. யார் ஸ்டெப் இன் பண்ணாலும் அது மிதியடி வாங்கிக்கும். அது மாதிரி people. அது passive people. So passive. So இது ரெண்டுமே வேண்டாம். Aggressive வேண்டாம், passive வேண்டாம். You want to go for assertive. Assertive is something I can understand you do have the same rights as I have. Let us win together. நீயும் ஜெயிச்சுக்கோ, நானும் ஜெயிச்சுக்கிறேன். Win-win attitude. நம்ம கம்யூனிகேஷன் அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கணும். That only the industry expects. Okay, right. So let us go with the campus versus corporate. Corporate or industry, anywhere I'm talking about. Campus pathina only learning takes place, but learning takes place while learning. That is nice, no? And also creates a foundation for future, the college, but builds a career when say along with the future. Okay, but here you have a more freedom. There you have a limited freedom with the responsibility. Okay, exams for major qualifying criteria, but workplace the evaluation on daily basis is happening. So practical is 25%, but here practical is 100%. Okay, up to you if you want to know affect others, but highly interlinked. Corporate பொறுத்த மட்டும் நீங்க என்ன நீங்க காலேஜ் பொறுத்த மட்டும் நீங்க ஆப்சென்ட் ஆறது இதெல்லாம் இருக்கும், நிறைய பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. காலேஜ்க்கு ரெகுலரா வராமலா இருந்திருப்பீங்க. பட் ஒர்க் பிளேஸ்ல இப்படி பண்ண முடியாது. You should be regular. If you are not going regular, you will lose your salary. Okay, right. So make your industry ready means, let us come to first point. If you are going for a work, அத first நான் சொல்றேன். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் higher studies குள்ளதும் நான் சொல்றேன். Okay, if you want to make your industry ready, first what changes has to come to you? What is really expected from me? What will make me successful? இந்த கேள்வி உங்களுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும். Okay, so what changes will come to you? First of all, you are taking more responsibility for attending office regularly. You should know the work and you should know R&R சொல்லுவோம், roles and responsibilities. உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்த work நீங்க எப்படி பண்றீங்கன்றது. Okay, so அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, you have to create your own branding. How to stand out and differentiate yourself. Even இப்போ நீங்க காலேஜ்ல கூட you can create your own branding. That means இப்போ for example Ajit, he is a very kind-hearted person. Okay, அப்போ உங்களை அஜித்னு பேர் சொன்னாலே kind-hearted person னு சொல்ற அளவுக்கு இருக்கணும். Okay, like that only. So you create your own branding. அவர் பார்த்தா okay, super, அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு work எடுத்துன்னு போனா he will complete. So what branding you are creating? So normally even a product எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா, ஒரு product if they are selling, first என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, the company will advertise for the product. Later they will recruit the people to advertise their product. ஒரு சேல்ஸ் பர்சனா வைப்பாங்க. ஆஃப்டர் தட் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, கஸ்டமர்ஸே அவங்களுக்கு பிராண்டிங் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஏன்னா இந்த ப்ராடக்ட் நல்லா இருக்குன்னு அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட சொல்லுவாங்க. அப்போ நீங்க பர்சனல் பிராண்டிங் எப்படி பண்ணணும்னா, நீங்க அவ்வளவு பேர் இருந்தாலும் உங்களுக்கு தனியா தெரியற அளவுக்கு நீங்க எப்படி, in a good point I'm telling, good way how you can create your branding that really matters. Okay, so அதுக்கு மூணு விஷயம் நான் சொல்றேன். Will, skill and will. Okay, will is something what you are passionate about. உங்களுக்கு என்ன முடியும்? ஆல்ரெடி நான் அந்த கேள்வி கேட்டேன். இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வேற, பேஷன் வேற. இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இஸ் சம்திங் ஐ அம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் டு டூ திஸ். இது ரொம்ப லைட் வேர்ட். பட் ஐ அம் பேஷனேட். ஆக்சுவலி சம்திங் விச் இஸ் ரிலேட்டட் டு ஃபுட் அப்படின்றது ஓகே, எனக்கு ஃபுட் சாப்பாடு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னா ஓகே ஐ அம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட். பட் சுவாசிக்கிறது பேஷன். ஓகே, இது இல்லைன்னா இது பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகே, so what you passionate about? Skill. So there is no one way to learn a skill. Skill வந்து என்ன வயசுல வேணாலும் நீங்க லேர்ன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Naturally you are good in something, but you can train yourself to get into something else. So now நிறைய டோனி ஃபேன்ஸ் இருப்பீங்க. டோனி என்ன salary வாங்குவார்? crores-ல இல்லையா? Okay, so what is industry is ready to pay for you? உங்களை மார்க்கெட் பண்ணா உங்களுக்கு என்ன பேமெண்ட் வர்ற அளவுக்கு நீங்க எக்யூப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்கன்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஸ்க் யுவர்செல்ஃப். நிறைய பேருக்கு என்னன்னா, அவங்க இன்ஜினியரிங் பண்ணாங்க, நான் இன்ஜினியரிங் பண்றேன். நான் நிறைய அதை தவிர நிறைய ஃபீல்ட்ஸ் இருந்திருக்கும். ஓகே, நமக்கு அது தெரியாது. பார்த்துட்டு இதை சொன்னாங்கன்னா அது அப்படியே பிளைண்டா பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே, பட் வாட் இஸ் ரியலி வி ஃபிட் ஃபார் இட் ரியலி மேட்டர்ஸ். ஓகே, யூ ஆர் worried about the career options after your graduation. I am here to help you out. First thing, career option after graduation is the time it has come. Start noting it down. Either you can go for a government job or a private job after your graduation. And second choice is you can do higher education, or you can start a business. You can have a small or large business, or you can be a freelancer. எந்த வேலையும் பண்ண, அதாவது எங்கேயும் போய் கமிட் ஆகாம வர ஜாப்ஸ் எடுத்து பண்றதுக்கு பேர் தான் ஃப்ரீலான்சிங். இவ்வளவு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. இதுல நீங்க என்ன சூஸ் பண்ண போறீங்கன்றதா இப்போ ரியல் now the climax has come. Okay, so confused about career, we are here to help you. First thing, okay, you can go as a HR, opportunity is there. Or you are going for accounts and taxation, or you are going to be a business analyst, or web developer, PHP, or you are a Java developer, or software testing, or Android developer, network engineer, MIS, the management information system, and advanced Excel. So இதுக்கெல்லாமே நிறைய demands இருக்கு. Okay, and also digital marketing for entrepreneurs. If you want to become an entrepreneur, digital marketing is also an emerging area. Okay, so I'll give you a top 11 courses for a top-notch career. So, career fulfill panna. Computer science related ada irukum, but still I'll tell you this is more helpful. Current trend la enna irukundradha ungalku na solren. Data analytics. Monthly jobs 35,000 plus irukku ipo current trend la. Starting salary 4 lakh to 8 lakhs kudukalam average. அதாவது எதுக்குன்னா, not monthly, annual salary I'm talking about. And data science, இது எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is a diploma courses also available. Some IIT is offering this, universities are offering this 2 years course, 1 year course எல்லாம் இருக்கு. Data analytics, data science, then digital marketing. Digital marketing வந்து web designer போனீங்கன்னா even SEO ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, search engine optimization. இப்போ அமேசான், பேபால் இதெல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, பேடிஎம் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா. சோ அவங்க மாதிரி இன்னொரு நம்ம வெப்சைட் ஆரம்பிச்சா நம்ம வெப்சைட் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரணும்னு பாக்குறதுக்கு SEO சொல்லுவாங்க, சர்ச் என்ஜின் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன். அது ஒரு ஜாப். அந்த ஜாப் பண்ண தெரிஞ்சா கூட யூ வில் கெட் இன்டு தி மார்க்கெட். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஆர்டிபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ், இட்ஸ் ரொம்ப ட்ரெண்டிங்ல இருக்குது இந்த ஆர்டிபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ், மெஷின் லேர்னிங். இப்போ நீங்க கூகுள் ஜிமெயில் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க இல்லையா, while you are typing it, giving auto suggestion, it is reading the mindல, that is called a machine learning concept. And auto suggestions எல்லாம் வருது இல்லையா, அது machine learning concept. And cyber security, even you might have heard of a cryptocurrency, bitcoins எல்லாம், blockchains எல்லாம் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. Okay, that job is available. And ethical hacking, ஹேக்கிங்கே தப்பு, அதே நம்ம ethical hacking சொல்றோம். அந்த ஹேக்கிங் பண்றதுக்கு அதுக்கு நிறைய இருக்கு. அந்த SEO சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, search engine optimization. Apart from that, Tableau in the sense like showcasing your talents. Okay, then full stack developer course. Full stack developer na Java, இது எல்லாமே நான் சொல்றது எல்லாமே related to IT. Okay, and web development. Okay, so top trending career oriented after graduation in India, I'll tell you. So first, இது போட்டதே உங்களுக்கு பிக்சர்ல போட்டுருக்கேன். ஆர்டிபிஷியல் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ், மெஷின் லேர்னிங், டீப் லேர்னிங், டேட்டா சயின்ஸ், பிசினஸ் அனலிட்டிக்ஸ், டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங், கிளவுட் கம்ப்யூட்டிங். அதை நான் முதல்ல சொல்ல. ஸோ கிளவுட் கம்ப்யூட்டிங், இப்ப நீங்க கூகுள் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க இல்லையா, கூகுள், ஜிமெயில், ஜி சூட், இது எல்லாமே கிளவுட் கான்செப்ட் தான். ஓகே, சோ இதுல போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் கோர்ஸ், டிப்ளமோ கோர்சஸ் கூட இருக்கு. இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் லைக் ஹையர் ஸ்டடீஸ் டிகிரி போக சீக்கிரம் இது முடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சா 1 year டிப்ளமோ பண்ணிக்கலாம். So diploma in management is there, diploma in technical writing, diploma in marketing, fashion design, business management, எல்லாமே diploma course இருக்கு. You can do that also. Don't worry, நம்ம ஃபாஸ்டா போற மாதிரி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. நான் ரொம்ப டீடைலா போகல. I will share this PPT with you. உங்க அஜித் சாருக்கு ஷேர் பண்றேன், அவர் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுவாரு. எல்லா லிங்க்ஸும் நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், எங்கெங்க இதெல்லாம் கிடைக்கும், how we can. And earlier அஜித் சார் கிட்ட டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணும்போதே சொன்னேன், சார் ஐ எம் நாட் கோயிங் டு கிவ் them a fish, I am going to teach them fishing. ஒரு விஷயத்தை எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தா நீங்க பண்ணணும். எல்லாமே ஸ்பூன் ஃபீடிங் பண்ணோம்னா அந்த ஒர்க்ல ஜோஷ் இருக்காது. எப்பவுமே நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்ன்றதை நம்ம தான் தேடணும். Then only you can achieve. Okay, so I will give you a tips and tricks how to search also. நீங்க for example you want to develop your career in a photography, what are all photography course எங்க இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நீங்க கூகுள் பண்ணி தேடலாம். ஸ்பெசிபிக்கா தேடினாலே கூகுள் have give n number of options. அதுல எது பெஸ்ட்னு சூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க அதுக்கு மெனக்கடணும். you have to allocate time. எதுவுமே சும்மா கிடைச்சிட்டா வந்து சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா ஒரு பழமொழி, எளிதாக வந்த பொருளுக்கு சரியான மதிப்பு இருக்காது. ஈஸியா எல்லாம் கிடைச்சிட்டுன்னா நமக்கு அதை மதிக்க மாட்டோம். கொஞ்சம் ஒர்க் பண்ணி கிடைக்கிறதுதான் அதுல ஒரு பெரிய சந்தோஷம் இருக்கு. Okay, you have to work hard. Okay, so some PG courses in India I'll tell you. See, Master of Arts, இப்ப BA பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா you can go for MA. If you did BSc, you can go for MSc. You did a BCom, you can go for MCom. Okay, and engineering and technology, ME MTech, actually நீங்க engineering பண்ணீங்கன்னா தான் போக முடியும். Okay, and suppose MCA, already post graduates இங்க இருந்தீங்க, MCA இருந்தீங்கன்னா you can go for MTech, no problem. Master of Law is possible, and Master of Computer Application MCA, Master of Business Administration MBA, and Master of Pharmacy is there. Pharma related B Pharm படிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா, and Architecture MArch is there. BArch பண்ணவங்க MArch பண்ணலாம். And you know, even you have a dental surgery and MHMS, like no homeopathy, Ayurvedic, medicine, இதெல்லாம் medicine related. ஏன்னா உங்க காலேஜ்ல நீங்க ஏன்னா other colleges students attend பண்றாங்க, that's why I'm giving all input. Okay, and physical education is also there, and Master of Education MEd. B.Ed பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா you can go for MEd. Okay, and I'll tell you something. இந்த லிங்க் இருக்கு, இந்த லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கனாலே you will get a list of exams இருக்கு. என்னெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஏன்னா people may aspire for a government job, most of the people. இல்ல பிரைவேட் எங்க வேணா நீங்க போறதுக்கு நான் தான் சொல்லலையா 4 விஷயம் சொன்னேன். either you can go for a government job or a private job or higher study, anything. இல்ல சும்மா வீட்ல இருக்கிறது கூட முடிவு பண்ணலாம், அது உங்க இஷ்டம். Okay, so if you want to go about with anything, என்ன பண்ணணும்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிசைட் பண்றீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு ரிலேட்டட் ஒர்க் நீங்க பண்ணி ஆகும். சோ இங்க நிறைய காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம், CAT, GMAT, இதெல்லாம் வந்து நீங்க GRE, TOEFL எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா if you want to go abroad, so you have to write some exam, you have to crack the exam, then only you can go. Okay, IELTS எல்லாம் பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்தியால கிராஜுவேட்ஸ்க்கு உள்ள ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா UPSC, சிவில் சர்வீசஸ் எழுதலாம், SBI PO எக்ஸாம், LIC, IBBS, RBI, okay, SSC, இந்தியன் ரயில்வே, இது எல்லாமே வந்து கிராஜுவேட்ஸ்க்கு எழுதுறதுக்கு இவ்வளவு எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் குருன்னு ஒரு வெப்சைட் இருக்கு, நீங்க கோ த்ரூ பண்ணீங்க. இட் ஹாஸ் n number of opportunity they have posted with the description, eligibility எல்லாமே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ஓகே, certain entrance exam. இப்போ நீங்க வந்து ஹையர் ஸ்டடிஸ் போலாம், இது ஜாப் பத்தி பேசணும். if you decided to do the higher study, அதுக்கும் entrance exam இருக்கு, ரைட்? சோ அது என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, சோ காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் கிராஜுவேஷன் இருக்கு, என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஃபார் கிராஜுவேஷன். இந்த சைட் நீங்க போய் பாருங்க, அதுல நிறைய கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க என்னெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு. நான் சில எக்ஸாம்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்றேன். டிஃபென்ஸ்க்கு போகணும்னா AFCAT, நீங்க எல்லாம் டிஃபென்ஸ் ஆசைப்படுற ஆட்கள் இந்த எக்ஸாம் இருக்கு. UPSC CDS இருக்கு, கம்பைன்ட் டிஃபென்ஸ் சிஸ்டம். ஓகே, தென் certain government exam for jobs after graduation. ஆல்ரெடி நான் போட்டதான் கொஞ்சம் எலாபரேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். CSC, IES, இந்தியன் எக்கானமிக் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம், இந்தியன் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்கல் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம். ஓகே, சோ இது எல்லாமே விட சரி என்னோட கெரியர் வந்து டீச்சிங் தான் வேணும். சம் பீப்புள் மேபி வாண்ட் ஃபார் டீச்சிங். சோ டீச்சிங் ஜாப்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா டெட் இருக்கு, டீச்சர் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட், அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஸ்டேட் CTET, சென்ட்ரல் டீச்சர் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு. அது மாதிரி ஸ்டெட், STET, நீங்க லெட் கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க, அது இல்லாத நிறைய டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. ஸ்டேட் லெவல் டீச்சர் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட், PRT, TGT, PGT, ட்ரெயின்டு கிராஜுவேட் டீச்சர் எக்ஸாம், போஸ்ட் கிராஜுவேட் டீச்சர் எக்ஸாம், பிரைமரி டீச்சருக்கு எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு. மேபி கிராஜுவேட்ஸ் கேன் அப்ளை. ஓகே, பிரைமரி டீச்சர்ஸ் எக்ஸாம். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, யூ செக் யுவர் கைசர். See, you have to check your, நீங்க என்ன போகணும்னு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிசைட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. After that only you have to serve accordingly. Now I'm just giving an idea. Okay, then CSIR, UGC NET, யூஜிசி நெட் பண்ணணும்னா நீங்க பிஜி பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் யூ கேன் கோ ஃபார். ஓகே, சோ பேசிக்கலி மினிமம் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் பிஜி பண்ணாதான் நீங்க ஒரு லெக்சரர் அந்த மாதிரி போக முடியும். ஓகே, அண்ட் கிராஜுவேட் இது கேட் வந்து இன்ஜினியரிங்க்கு மெயினா உள்ளது. இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா இட் வில் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் யூ. சோ யூ ஹேவ் டு அப்பியர் அ கேட் எக்ஸாம். தென் எஸ்எஸ்சி கம்பைன்ட் கிராஜுவேட் லெவல் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு. தென் ரயில்வே ஜாப் டெஸ்ட் இஸ் தேர், குரூப் டி, ஓகே, குரூப் சி எக்ஸாம்ஸ் அண்ட் நான் டெக்னிக்கல் போஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஜியாலஜிஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஆர் தேர். கேட்டகரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது ஃபுல்லா ஜியாலஜி சர்வே இன் இந்தியாவுக்கு இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஸ்டெட், ஓகே, டீச்சர்ஸ் இது ஆல்ரெடி நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். பேங்க் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு. பிகாம் இவங்க எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, ஐபிபிஎஸ், இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் பேங்க் பர்சனல் செலக்ஷன்ஸ், அதை நான் ஆல்ரெடி லிஸ்ட் பண்ணல, அதுல பாத்திருப்பீங்க. அக்ரிகல்ச்சர், இது ஃபுல்லா டீடைலா நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். இந்த லிங்க்ஸை நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ணாலே யூ வில் கெட் தி ஐடியா. ஈவன் ஐசிஐசிஓ எக்ஸாம்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஆர்பிஐ இருக்கு. இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஜாப்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம் நினைப்பீங்க, இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஜாப், பட் ஸ்டில் அதுல நிறைய earn பண்றவங்க இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, அதுக்கு எல்ஐசிக்கு வந்து இந்த ஐஆர்டி எக்ஸாம்ஸ் எழுதுவாங்க. எக்ஸாம் எழுதினாதான் யூ வில் கெட் இன்டு தி ஜாப். இப்போ கைஸ், சோ ஃபார் சோ குட் ஐ கெஸ். இப்போ ஒரு சின்ன ஆக்டிவிட்டி போறோம், பிகாஸ் நிறைய லிசன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, ஆர் யூ ரெடி? இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க அப்படின்னா, ரைட் யுவர் நேம் வித் அட்ஜெக்டிவ். அட்ஜெக்டிவ்ன்றது என்ன? யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு டிஸ்கிரைப் சம் ஐட்டம். தட் இஸ் கால்ட், நீங்க ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சது ஞாபகம் வந்திருக்கும், பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச்ல. அட்ஜெக்டிவ் இஸ் சம்திங் யூ ஆர் டிஸ்கிரைபிங். இப்போ ஒரு நேம் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ற எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், ஆசம் அஜேந்திரா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிருக்கேன். உங்க சார் தான் சொல்லிருக்கோம், இஸ் ஆசம் பர்சன், தட்ஸ் வை ஐ ஹவ் given him as an example. So anything, உங்க நேம் என்னவோ, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அனுஷா அப்படின்னா அடாப்டட் ஆர் ஆக்டிவ் அனுஷா, சம்திங் லைக் தட் யூ கேன் ஹேவ் an example. Okay, so okay, suppose the name is Anandi, okay, then you can say adored Anandi, something like that. You can adorable, anything. So for example, your name is Bindu, brilliant Bindu, like that you can have. So அது மாதிரி உங்க நேமுக்கு அட்ஜெக்டிவ் எழுதி போடுங்க. ஏன்னா உங்க நேமே நீங்க டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணல, உங்க நேமை நான் வாசிட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்போ உங்களோட நிக் நேம் நீங்களே வைக்கிறீங்க. இப்போ you are going to keep a nickname for you. I'll mute my video. I'll come to the chat box. 3 minutes we are going to play this game. Name with adjective. Quickly. Your time starts now. Gorgeous Sindhu. Sindhu, yes க்கு போடுமா நீங்க? The first letter of your name you have to write. Anbarasi, for A you have to write. Beautiful Anbarasi. Anbarasi, you are beautiful, I agree with you. But still, write for A. Jodika, jolly. Wow. Patriotic Arjun. Arjun, for A you have to write. Likeable Gogul. Gogul, you have to write for G. Amazing Abhishek. Wow. Superb. Master Makesh. Wow. Natural Nandagopalan. Okay. Smiling Saranya. Nice. Attractive Ajit Kumar. Okay. Smiling. Okay. Smart Sajin. Okay. Achievement Ashwin Raja. Okay. Gorgeous. Murthy, you have to write for M. Ajay Ore. A. Noble Nalanda. Wow. Active Arjun. Lovable Lincia. Wow. Gorgeous. Hey, Gokul, you are a male. No, you should not like gorgeous. It's meant for female. You write something else. Soldier Hari. Hari, you have to write for H. Pretty Pavitra. Great Gayatri. Cool. Manisha, you write for M. Respect Raja Prabhu. Wow. You are yours. Respectful, you can write. Army Arvind. Shanmugapriya IPS. Wow. Shanmugapriya, write for S. Smart Shanmugapriya. Grateful Gokul. Super. Grateful 1L only. Passionate Praveen. Wow. Aishwarya Army. Aishwarya, like OV Army, Aishwarya Army here. Okay. Simple Sivaranjini. Naughty Nandini. Wow. Right. Amal, you write for A. Murthy, you are rocking. Okay. But M, you have to write. For M, adjective only you have to write. Admirable Anusha. Wow. Kindness Karpaka Raja. Ajita IPS. Ajita IPS, you write for A. Socialable Sindhu. Okay. Shidhu. Modern marries Gogul. Nice. Real Ramkumar. Cool. Nice. Responsible Ramita, I like you. Psychology, Amal, for write A. For A letter, you have to write the adjective. Bold Bavitra, lovable Sivaranjani, you write for yes. Beautiful Beulah, like, nice, nice. Bold Bavitra. Sivaranjani, write for yes. Sweet Srinivas, okay. Beautiful Beulah, I have done, okay. One more minute. Brilliant Bhuvaneshwari, Success Shanmugam, Silent Shivaranjani, Brave Babish. It's done. Thank you. I'll make my screen visible now. So far, so good. Hope you are enjoying this program. I'll tell you one by one. Care option after BBA. Very simple. Everybody says MBA only, right? You can MBA also, like you can give MBA entrance exams like CAT, GRE, GMAT, MAT, Symbiosis, National Aptitude Test, etc. You can do a master's degree. Okay, MBA entrance test is there. CAT exam is there. Common admission test. And also common management admission test is also there. CMAT. Okay. And you have Savior Aptitude test is also there. XAT. Okay. And also Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT. And Symbiosis National App. These are all the kind of tests available for MBAs. Okay. And MAT. Okay. Management Aptitude Test. Maharashtra Common Entrance Test is also there. And IBSAT, ATMA, UPC, ICO. These are all, no, you just click it and see. There are many. I was thinking only MBA. Anywhere you can go and join. Not like that. You have to select a proper institution. If you are doing anywhere, no, you won't get that much weightage. Where you study also, it matters sometimes. How you study matters, but still where you also study, it has more weightage. Okay. So for overseas university, you want to do graduate management admission test, GMAT, you have to write. Okay, overseas education, graduate record examination, GRE. And also there is another option is CA. Even after +2 also people have started doing a CA. It's very difficult, but you can crack. And a bank PO or Indian Railways, you can go for a job. Or startup entrepreneur, that is very important. I was talking about that earlier. If you want to become an entrepreneur, aspire to be an entrepreneur, what is your business? What you are going to do with that? Maybe we can have a separate session for entrepreneurship. Actually, so I have to talk a lot. Even I'm also having my own company, right? I'm running a company. I know like how to handle people, leadership quality, everything matters a lot. But if you are willing to run a company, and whether you are going to do a service industry or product oriented, that you have to decide if you want to be an entrepreneur. And there is an opportunity in hotel management also. You can do either a diploma or degree, MHM. Okay, MHM. Law is also possible after graduation. Okay, graduates in business administration is also there, can do a law, and yet we can pick up a job. Either you can go as a salesperson or a finance person or a HR person, and you can do a event management also. That is also possible for BBAs. Event manager in the sense like you can arrange programs. Event is like a marriage or birthday parties, anything, catering, any business you can make it. And also, for example, you are conducting a program, open programs. You can keeping a program in a hotel. You are inviting people. You are called the press meets and all. You are arranging. That is called event management. And other jobs apart from that, you have a CLAT PG exam is there. Common law admission test is there, and SSC combined graduate level exams is there. Railways and JG bills. JG bills are national wide entrance test. For biology, it is available. And FDDI is related to food. Okay, it's computer based. It is basically footwear design. It's a footwear design and development institute to have a footwear design pandrathu. Okay, the National Institute of Nutrition is there in Hyderabad. That also there. And the Mudra Institute of Communication is there. They also have Ahmedabad have entrance test and tests. Tests in the sense Mumbai, they are conducting some test. Tata Institute, social science, they are conducting an entrance test. And TANSET, you know very well, from Tamil Nadu Common Entrance Exams. Anna University is connected. These are all, no, if you can appear exam, then only you can go for a PG. Okay, then IIT PG entrance exam is there. So arts, commerce, and science. First of all, what are all the higher education possible? You can visit this website MHRD. Okay, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Around 127 occupations they have given list of professional courses available. Okay, you can go through this website. You can have 127 occupations. I mute people. Yes. So visit the MHRD website, and apart from that, you can visit, Ministry of Labor and Employment also. What are the occupations available? What are the kinds of labor and employment is available that you can go through Government of India website. Okay, so you can do MBA, MCA. That, my God, people are disturbing like anything. Wait, I mute. Okay, so you can, if you are getting an arts degree, also possible. IAS you can go. Okay, you can have a Steel Authority of India, SAIL, it is possible. Bank, there are all the opportunity available. Okay, right? Commerce, accountant, you can go as an accountant. Commerce, there is a top 10 exams I have displayed here. Okay, auditing, accounts, and all. You can go through one by one later. Sales job as a career, or you can go for a finance or insurance, or you can go for investments. Okay, and one important thing is the short-term courses after your commerce, software testing. Okay, there are many testing is available. The software testing titles are user acceptance, security, embedded, automation. These are all possible short-term courses. Maybe 6 months we can complete your course. I told you at the beginning, SEO and SEM. SEM is search engine marketing. Okay. And also HRM is human resource management career choices. And related to academics, obviously you want to grow, like you can do a B.Ed or something. After that, you want to choose your career as a teacher. And a marketing and research industry also available, and you can go for social work. You can go MSW. Okay. And digital media. Okay. 3D artist, pre-press technician, graphic designer, press operator, that is available. And data analyst already we discussed. Some computer courses also have given. Security specialist is there. Okay. Mobile application developer. See, even it's free courses available. NSDC. You might have, you go through the website NSDC. They have given many free courses the government is conducting. Pradhan Mantri Kushal Yojana, PMKJ, like that option is also there. Okay, you can go through that. Free courses you can attend. Okay, right. And this is computer courses I have listed out. A big list I have. Okay. And careers in management also. We already discussed about MBA, MCA and all. Even you can do PGDC or PGDM. Okay, right? And arts. All many options in a government sector. Teaching is there. Media and communication is also there. Business administration is there. And some people have an opportunity for as a translator or interpreter. Medical transcription opportunity is there. Okay. And also attractive job, I'll tell you. Art lovers, journalist, art gallery assistant, also one job is there. So mostly here we are in abroad, this kind of opportunities also there. Gallery curator, fashion designer, window dresser, also there is an opportunity. Museum guide, teacher, MA course also you can do. These are all for arts background people I'm talking about. MBAs already we have seen. HR we have seen. Okay. For so these are all the major opportunities I have discussed. I guess hope you understand what I'm discussing, even though it is sometimes a bit fast. I'll share you this. You can go through when you have free time have. And one important thing I would like to conclude with this message. Kindly inject this into your DNA. Road to excellence. I'm going to say something very important to you. You know how to start a goal and all I have started. And what are all the opportunity? You have to decide. I'm here, where I want to go, I have to decide. Correct? So, அதை நம்ம பேசணும். எல்லாம் கரெக்ட். ஆனா எப்படி பண்ணா என்னோட ஸ்பேஸ் எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு எனக்கு தெரியணும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். I have to decide what I really want. ஏன்னா people go for advices. Okay, you can ask elders advice, you can go. I'm not denying that. But உங்களுக்கு என்ன முடியும், என்ன வருமோ அதை செய்யுங்க. Then only you will be happy always. What is possible for you, what you are able to do, you select. For that, I'll give you a simple tricks and tips. Okay, take note of it. First thing, keep in your mind, I am responsible for my thoughts. உங்க thoughts சரி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The thoughts only reflect in your words. Okay, your thoughts should be positive always. எல்லாம் நன்மைக்கு. It's okay. Even the corona periodல we are listening here. நீங்களாம் யாருன்னு நான் பார்த்ததில்லை. Okay, but எங்கெங்கயோ இருந்து people are attending the session. I'm so happy. But I'm creating some difference. That is happiness I have in my mind. So நம்ம thoughts எப்படி இருக்கு, இந்த இதுவும் கடந்து போகும். This is not permanent. The situation அப்படியே மாறும். Okay, நம்ம thoughts நம்ம சரி பண்ணிக்கணும். என்னால முடியும். I can. First you want to keep in your mind, I am responsible for my thoughts. ரெண்டாவது விஷயம், I am responsible for my words. சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, பேசிய வார்த்தைகளுக்கு வந்து நீ நீ வந்து பேசிய வார்த்தைகள் உனக்கு எஜமான், பேசாத வார்த்தைகளுக்கு நீ எஜமான். That means whatever words you utter, you cannot take, திருப்பி உள்ள எடுத்துன்னு போக முடியாது. சோ வார்த்தையை கரெக்டா யூஸ் பண்ணணும். யார்கிட்ட என்ன பேசணும், யாரையும் ஹர்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே, suppose the same words, if others are saying me how I feel hurt, I should not use the words to others. எனக்கு எதெல்லாம் ஹர்ட் ஆகும் நான் நினைக்கிறேனோ அதை மத்தவங்களுக்கு நான் செய்யவே கூடாது. ஓகே, I am responsible for my words. அடுத்த விஷயம், ட்ரீமை பத்தி நாம அதிகமா பேசணும். பட் யூ ஷுட் பிகம் யுவர் ட்ரீம். திஸ் இஸ் மை ட்ரீம், மை ட்ரீம் இஸ் வாட் ஐ ஆம். அந்த ஐடியா உங்களுக்குள்ள வரும். The dream is what I am. Okay, you become your dream, then only you can achieve your dream. And one important thing is what you sow you will reap. நீங்க எதை விதைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை தான் அறுவடை பண்ணுவீங்க. நீங்க கெரியரா இருக்கட்டும், உங்க வாழ்க்கையா இருக்கட்டும், what you sow. இன்னைக்கு நீங்க உங்க எல்டர்ஸ், உங்க பேரண்ட்ஸ், உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி ட்ரீட் பண்றீங்களோ இதே மாதிரிதான் உங்களை நாளைக்கு உங்க கிட்ஸ் ட்ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, so your mind is like a garden, your thoughts are the seeds and you can grow flowers or you can grow weeds. அதனால ரொம்ப ஜாக்கிரதையா லைஃபை ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா நமக்கு வயசானவங்கள நமக்கு வயசாகும். வயசானவங்க நம்ம ஏஜ்க்கு வர முடியாது, ஆனா நமக்கு வயசாகும். அதனால how you are treating the elders, it really matters a lot. So what you sow you will reap. நீங்க என்ன விதைக்கிறீங்களோ அதை அறுவடை பண்ணுவீங்க. அதனால நல்ல விஷயங்களை விதைங்க. ஓகே, அண்ட் முக்கியமான விஷயம், suppose the 4 things if I am doing it perfectly. இப்ப எனக்கு தெரியும், I am taking care of my thoughts, I am taking care of my words, I know my dream and I am just going to work on it. And I know very well what I sow I will reap. இதனாலையும் சரியா பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நாம சந்தோஷப்படுவோம், நம்ம சுத்தி இருக்கவங்க சந்தோஷப்படுவாங்க, நம்ம டீச்சர்ஸ் சந்தோஷப்படுவாங்க, இந்த உலகமே சந்தோஷப்படும். முக்கியமான ஒரு ஆள் சந்தோஷப்படுவார். If you believe in God, the God has to say you should live in this world. The world is a better place because you are living here. நீங்க இருக்கிறதுனாலதான் இந்த உலகமே அழகா இருக்குன்னு காட் வந்து நம்மளை பார்த்து சொன்னா இது எவ்வளவு அழகான விஷயம் பாருங்க. சோ அந்த மாதிரி நம்மளோட லிவிங் இருக்கணும். நீங்க என்ன படிக்கிறீங்க, என்ன ஒர்க் பண்றீங்க, வாட் எவர் மேபி, commit yourself to 100%, not 99, not 101, only 100. அதை எய்ம் பண்ணுங்க எப்பவுமே. சோ இதுல ஒரு அழகான கோட் நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். No matter how big your house is, how recent your car is, how big your bank account is, our graves are always of the same size. Stay humble. So எல்லாரும் ஒரே இதுதான். அதனால stay humble always. என்ன நமக்கு பெரிய ஆட்கள் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து நம்மளோட ஹைட்லயோ வெயிட்லயோ நம்மளோட வெல்த்லயோ கிடையாது. நம்மளோட ஆட்டிடியூட்லயும் நம்ம நடந்துக்கிற விதத்துலதான் நாம எவ்வளவு பெரிய ஆளுன்னு எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். ஓகே, சோ நம்ம நிறைய பிக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாமே பார்த்தோம். அப்துல் கலாம் பார்த்தோம், விவேகானந்தாலாம் பார்த்தோம். அது மாதிரி உங்க பிக்சரை பார்த்து நாளைக்கு அடுத்த ஜெனரேஷன் சொன்னா that is a real achievement. You have done something in your, even Abdul Kalam says your signature become your autograph. Wow, that's great. அந்த நிலைமைக்கு நீங்க அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும். So attitude is a key to all success. இப்போ கடைசியா ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்றோம், நம்ம முடிக்க போறோம். Quickly write positive affirmation what you are feeling right now in the chat box. இப்போ நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க? I believe in my skills and ability. நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி நீங்க என்ன பிலீவ் பண்றீங்களோ அதை எழுதுங்க. ஒரு லைன் எழுதுனா போதும். பாசிட்டிவ் அஃபர்மேஷன், உங்களை பத்தி நீங்க பெருமையா பாசிட்டிவ் அஃபர்மேஷன் எழுதுங்க. நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிடலாம் அந்த செஷனை. உங்களுக்கு இந்த செகண்ட் என்ன தோணுதோ அதை எழுதுங்க போதும். எஸ், ஐம் switching off my video and I'm going to come to your chat box. Quickly write positive affirmation. What do you feel right now? I'm waiting. I'm genius. Wow. Rider boy. I'll be confident. Bhuvneshri. There is one big day waiting for me. Wow. Magesh and Arjun started to chase my dream. Wow, wow, wow. I'll be successful soon, Sindhu. I'm confident with my dream, Gayatri. I can do what I want, Anthony. Nandu, grateful for today. I will see myself as a lieutenant. Okay. Arun Kumar. Ashwin, I believe I will achieve my dreams and set myself a role model to others. Wow. Nalanda, I thank you for being such an amazing teacher and for all your great lessons. Oh, thank you. After this meeting, I do some useful things during COVID-19. Okay. I can do anything to achieve my dream. I'm confident in my dreams. I'm so happy today. Very great day, Ari. Okay. I am a best. Wow, Amal. Anusha, I want to chase a good job and lift up my family, and now I am working for it. Really nice, Anusha. All the best. Babisha, so happy today was a great day. Hari Gopalan. Okay. You can do anything. I believe I will achieve my dreams and myself as a role model for others. The name only I couldn't see. Anbu. I believe I can achieve my dream. Manisha. I'm always carrying myself. Oh, carrying myself. Okay. I believe in what I do. Ranjit. Positive vibes are surrounding me. Nice. Lucia. I'm feeling my life. Okay. Srinivas. Lucia, Lincia is always fond of putting smileys. Happy to see her. Ruby, I will achieve my dreams. Okay. Cool buddies. Yeah. Okay, it's time. I'll switch on my video mode. I'm going to conclude now. So please be there. Quickly. So empathy, positive thinking with daily. Oh my God. I have to mute. Okay. I'm muted. Yes. So positive affirmation is very important in your life. I've given some important web links. We can extract the data from that. Okay, I would like to share one information. That is actually I have shared to many seminars also. What I would like to say is anything you can achieve. Some people have written, I am the best. I want to achieve so many things. I'll give you one superb example. One guy in 2005, it happened long back. Okay. So this guy, while he was studying, is a foreigner. In England, he couldn't pay his university fees. What he did is he popped up with an idea. Okay, he created one homepage which consists of million pixels. That is called a $1 million web page. 1000 cross 1000 pixel grid is there. Okay, so that owner is called Alex Tway. I'll show you the screen. See, if you click one thing, it will go to directly to the website. Okay, that means once click now, this guy will get $1 from the website, like any website. He marketed totally, created an icon. Whoever uses, we are not going to give. Which website we are watching, that website person will pay him $1. So like that, he has an imagination and created. He is an entrepreneur now. That guy is a Alex Tway. Just for the food for thought, I'm giving. So you can have a YouTube channel. You can earn money from that. There's so many opportunities are there. There are e-learning platforms are available. You can market yourself. You can create a branding. Anything is possible. Even +2 guys know they are doing a lot. Okay. So you are going to complete a graduation. You can make wonders. Don't stick on to very simple things. Okay. So that's why I used to say, think something very great. Okay. You didn't come back to the lowest stage. From the lava to butterfly. Don't come back to lava again. You are a butterfly now. You are ready to fly. Okay. So aspire something big. Okay. And one assignment I'm giving you. Okay. This is a plain t-shirt. I'm talking about a virtual t-shirt. Okay. This is a plain t-shirt. In the plain t-shirt, you can draw anything. Okay. So happy t-shirt you are going to create. I'll tell you one example. This is one chart you can take. Some joyful memories in your life. Maybe your first birthday, or your father gifted something, your mom gifted something. Okay, anything you can write. Maybe you can have this. No, you have a print. Somebody's written. You have printed t-shirt and you are wearing. You create your one happy t-shirt for any design. Don't put just one smiley happy like that. You can use all your creativity. Write something great and you create it. Okay, and create your own brand. You're so special. Okay, and unique. And mail your t-shirt to me to this mail ID. You can note it down. Okay. I'm not asking you to purchase a t-shirt. Just clear. Okay. நீங்க ஒரு t-shirt போட்டா அதுல என்ன டிசைன் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்கன்றத நீங்க உங்களுக்கு t-shirt டிசைன் பண்ணுங்க. ஒரு சார்ட் பேப்பர் எடுத்துக்கோ இல்ல A4 ஷீட் எடுத்துக்கோ, அழகா டிசைன் பண்ணிட்டு அதை போட்டோ எடுங்க. போட்டோ எடுத்து எனக்கு மெயில் பண்ணுங்க. அவசரம் இல்ல, இது டேக் டைம். ஒரு வாரம் டைம் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. அடுத்த சண்டேக்குள்ள எனக்கு அனுப்புங்க. நான் டேட் போடல. அடுத்த சண்டே என்ன டேட்? 28th. I guess 28th நினைக்கிறேன். மேபி 28th எனக்கு மெயில் அனுப்புங்க. எவ்வளவு பேர் கமிட்மெண்டா மெயில் அனுப்புறீங்க நான் பாப்பேன். I'll forward this t-shirt to அஜித் சார் ஆல்சோ. தெரியும் எவ்வளவு பேர் சின்சியரா அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னது. இதை நான் அஜித் சாருக்கு ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணுவேன். சோ ஹாப்பி டி-ஷர்ட் எனக்கு மெயில் பண்ணுங்க. எதுக்காக சொல்றேன்னா கொரோனா பீரியட்ல ஹவு பாசிட்டிவ் வி ஆர்ன்றது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். guys going to brief you on this. Okay, how many people are going to be positive? Commitment நான் இப்போ சொன்ன commitment எவ்வளவு பேர் ஃபாலோ பண்றீங்கன்றதை நான் பாப்பேன். I'll put CC to Ajendranath sir and he will give his mail ID later. Oh my god, I'm getting so much of disturbance. Mute. Okay, right. Okay, so very important.
Hello.
Okay, so sharpen your knowledge and skills, your ability to experience everything. Okay, and I believe in you. Trust me, you only can make it. Okay, trust me guys, you only can make it. It's possible for you. Okay, and one more thing, learning never ends. I'm going to complete the session, but learning never ends. It's just a beginning. Okay, be the best version of yourself. If you want to have something you never had, do something you have never done before. இது வரைக்கும் செஞ்ச விஷயத்தை செஞ்சீங்கன்னா ஒரே ரிசல்ட் தான் வரும். செய்யாதது புதுசா செஞ்சீங்கன்னா தான் புது ரிசல்ட் வரும். அதுக்காக வேற எதுவும் வேடாகுடமா பண்ணிடாதீங்க. Do something good and useful for you and the society and the family. Okay, and normally so okay, you can reach me. It's my contact. This is my company, and it's a contact numbers and address I gave. For any queries you can reach me. You can mail me or you can text me in WhatsApp. Okay, right. Oh my god, people don't know how to do it themselves. They are disturbing me. Okay guys, and one more thing is, you can I will keep all the training session videos in my YouTube channel, that is Inspire-Dr. Karthikeya Banu. You can view my channel also. I have many motivational video in that. You can go through it. Okay, right. And after that, okay, I'm just completing. Normally any session I will complete with a beautiful quote which I follow in my personal and professional life. APJ Abdul Kalam words: if you salute your duty, you need not salute anybody. If you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. So salute your work, give your best, be the best version of yourself. Thank you all. It's a discussion time. If you have a question, you unmute yourself and you ask me one by one. Okay, it's time. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll start the share screen. I'll come to the main screen. Okay, let's have a discussion now.
Hello.
Yes, Jay. Yes.
Hello. Hello. If there is no question, we will finish it, and I will
Okay.
uh,
1 second,
call
sir.
one of my senior wing cadet, Sridhu,
Okay.
to offer a vote of thanks to you.
Okay. That's fine.
Sridhu.
Ask him to unmute. Can't see anybody.
Where is Sridhu?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Sir. Good evening, everyone. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks to those who worked really to make this webinar on campus to what next. First and foremost, I thank our chairman of SC Hindu College, Arumugam Pri. With his blessings and life, we are able to make this. I'd like to give my sincere thanks to our principal of SC Hindu College, Dr. T. Chidambaratanu, who is supportive to us in every attempt. Now I extend my hearty thanks to Colonel Vinod Bhaskar, Officer Commanding 11th Tamil Nadu Battalion, NCC Nagarkoil, and Lieutenant Colonel V.V. Prasad, Administrative Officer, 11th Tamil Nadu Battalion, NCC, for their encouraging wishes. Next, I thank our ANO and Dr. K. Ajindranath, Company Commander, 1/11 SN SW NCC, Hindu College, Nagarkoil, for his efforts towards this webinar, even in this hard situation. Thank you, sir. Now I extend my thanks to our resource person, Dr. Katya Banu, Business Head, Inspire Softech Solutions, Chennai, who spent her precious time with us. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely help us in our future events. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Last but not the least, I thank all the cadets for their patience, and I advise all of you to use these ideas to make your life successful. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank
you once again. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you for a nice and resourceful presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, can I end the meeting now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thank you, participants. All the very best. Thank you. Bye. Bye, all. I'm going to end the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.